Hi folks, I'm Nadir Abbas, the creator of YouTube Comment Kit, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up loading comments in YCK. So if I go to YouTube now and start loading comments, you're gonna see that it's quite slow. It loads about 20 comments per second, which is very slow. So to speed this up, we're gonna need to use the YouTube Data API, and for that, we're gonna need a Google Cloud account. So for that, you go to cloud.google.com. And once you're here, you're going to have to sign in with your Google account. And then after that, click on console here. Then go ahead and do select a project. Click here, new project. Give the project a name. I'm going to just call it YouTube Comment Kit. Okay, so the project has been created. Now we select this project. Now go to the sidebar and go to APIs and services and click on enabled APIs and services. Now click on Enable APIs and Services. Now search for the YouTube Data API, YouTube Data API v3. Enable it. Okay, so it has been enabled now. Now go to the sidebar and click on Credentials, Create Credentials, and click on API Key. Now you click on Restrict Key and select the YouTube Data API so that only YouTube Data API can be accessed through this API key and none of the other Google services. Create. Now we close this. Now you're going to have to copy your API key. So let's click on Show Key. Copy the key. Close this. Now let's go back to YouTube. Let's go to Settings on YouTube Comment Kit. Then go to the API Keys tab. Scroll down and put your API key here and give it a label. I'm just going to call it default key and save key. So the key has been saved. Now you check the use YouTube data API checkbox. So now YCK should be using the YouTube data API to load comments. But before trying that, I'm just going to reload. And let's open up YouTube Comment Kit again. And let's click on Load Comments and see how fast it is. So now it loads about 100 comments per second, as opposed to 20 comments per second. These YouTube data API keys, the free ones, have a quota of about 1 million comments per day. I highly doubt that anyone's going to hit that quota. But if anyone does, you can go ahead into Google Cloud, create another project, get another YouTube data API key, and put that key here to essentially double your quota per day. Thank you.